right, let's check out this market. Red day. We've got a pretty reasonable red day here. Dots down a little bit off the USD. Chain links down just a little bit off USD as well. Ethereum heading the wrong direction as well if you're in a long position. But picking up Ethereum at around 350 at the moment is probably not too bad either. Bitcoin, it's having a little tiny uptick, 10,360. So it's not looking too bad at the moment. It's just come off its lows of hanging around that 10,100 mark, which was a little bit worrying, dropping below the 10,000, but it seems to be holding quite well. If we jump over to the chart here, we can see that we've got some nice long wicks forming around this 9,900 to 10,000 area. So you've got this nice support here, which it's been bouncing off 3 times now, which you could kind of say on the 4 hourly that we've put in maybe a bit of a double bottom or a triple bottom there. And then we've got a little bit of upside. So there'd be a good chance that this could run up and touch that 200, retest 200, or even retest this head and shoulders pattern that we broke down out of. So these 3 here. So we come up, this would be normal, come back up here, touch that, or touch 200, and then come back down. Maybe we fall back into this chart here, this wedge here, and then continue on following that, touching, or we could break out. Break out would be nice. Break out above around that 11,900 level would be pretty nice. And then we'd need to beat this level here, 11,444, somewhere there, and we could have a nice little uptrend happening. With Bitcoin on the 1 hourly chart, we see that we're kind of in a small little falling wedge here as well. So that has broken out to the top side over the last few hours, and that was always going to happen. That it was going to move to the downside or the top side. So we've moved here, and you could nearly say that's a small little flag there as well, which would, if you were to look at this, the measured move of that is going to be very close to the 200. So if you come up here, touch the 200, that would be a reasonable target for everyone. So around that 10.8 zone. We've got bullish MACD cross, and we've got our RSI approaching the overbought section as well on the 1 hourly. And we've got bullish MACD cross as well, and our RSI is coming upwards as well, which is good. We've got a little one here for you. We've got Ravencoin or RVN to BTC. Hopefully we can start squaring up here and then move back towards the top side of this trend line. We've been in this downtrend, in this falling wedge for a long time now. So these here need to, at some stage, they have a better chance of breaking out to the top side, and that is around 68% odds. So you come down here, we've got some aggressive buyers off this trend line a lot of the time, and you can see move to the upside, come down here, close, move to the upside, and then at some stage we should get a move to the top side of this, but we've still got pretty good gains just in this trend line as well. So we've got price action falling, MACD is trending up, and same with our RSI, which is trending up as well. And we've also got a good MACD bullish cross as well, so we're trending up there. BNB is an interesting one. We've got staking, yield farming coming for BNB, so they're getting into the whole yield farming DeFi saga. So we can see that this here coming up, little loop down, touch this support level here, bounce back up. So that's a pretty good little good supply there. So they've got supply of buyers right there. We'll come back up and we'll see what happens on this resistance now as well. So it could be a retest of this rising wedge as well. So it's retesting the price action there. If it doesn't break above that, then we might be able to see some downside out of BNB for the short term, but long term, BNB is a good purchase with CZ. As you can see here, with the staking, you get Bella Protocol. So Bella Protocol, which starts on the 9th, which is a couple of days away from now, and you will stake your BNB, and after a couple of days, 5 days, then you will get your rewards in Bella Protocol. So pretty good chance to get Bella Protocol before it gets launched onto the market on BNB on Binance. So you'll be able to pick up Bella Protocol on Binance before it's even traded, which is not too bad for a hype coin on Binance.